Need to repair a hole in drywall? I'm Teresa with MyFixitUpLife, and I'll show you how. To repair a hole like this one made from a doorknob, all you need is one simple kit. The 3M High Strength Large Hole Repair Kit. What I like about the 3M Large Hole Repair Kit is that it includes all the necessary tools needed for a wall repair that's up to 5 inches in diameter. There's a 6-inch putty knife, fiber reinforced spackling compound, a 5.5 by 6-inch repair plate screen, fiber tape, and a sanding pad. The first step in this project is removing the damaged drywall. Now, if you're having trouble removing all of the damaged drywall from the hole, a keyhole saw or a knife can help you clear it out. Next, with the damp but not wet cloth, wipe the back of the drywall, the inside part, so that when you put the repair plate in, the double-sided tape will stick to the inside of the wall. The next step is putting the repair plate through the hole. But before I do that, I'm going to trim off one segment because there's a stud right next to the hole on the right side. Now that the repair plate is the right size, it's time to remove the backing off this tape before I put it into the hole. Now that the tape is ready, careful to not get this stuck to the tape. Put it into the hole. Then put the strap inside the repair plate hole and cover the hole with the included repair tape. Then, use the 3M kit's included putty knife and the fiber reinforced spackling compound to fill the hole. A few tips for a smoother finish. Wet the knife. That helps. Take your time. Use a low angle of the knife against the wall. And another thing, overfill it because that makes it easier to get a sanded, smooth finish later. We've let the spackling compound dry overnight. It's dry and it's ready to be sanded. Well, it's sanded smooth and ready for primer and paint, and it'll be like this hole never happened. I'm Teresa with MyFixitUpLife. For more how-to videos and quick tips, keep watching MyFixitUpLife.